Navigating the vast sea of information on the internet can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to determining the reliability and credibility of the content you encounter. This video outlines the process needed to read, understand, critique, and trust the information found on a website.
Evaluate the source. Start by examining the website itself. Look for information about the author or organization behind the content. Check the About Us or Contact page to see if there's any background information provided. Consider the domain extension. Websites ending in .gov, .edu, or .org are generally more credible than those ending in .com or .net. Assess the design and layout of the website. Professional-looking sites with clear navigation and well-organized content are more likely to be trustworthy.
Examine the content. Read the content thoroughly, paying attention to the language, tone, and writing style. Look for spelling and grammatical errors, as these can be red flags. Evaluate the accuracy and reliability of the information presented. Check for citations or references to credible sources to support the claims made. Consider the timeliness of the information. Is the content up to date, or does it appear outdated or irrelevant?
Cross-check with other sources. Verify the information by consulting multiple sources. Look for corroborating evidence or alternative perspectives to ensure the accuracy of the information. Compare the information found on the website with reputable sources such as academic journals, government publications, or trusted news outlets.
Assess bias and objectivity. Be mindful of any bias or agenda present in the content. Consider the website's affiliations, sponsors, or advertisers, as these may influence the objectivity of the information. Look for balanced coverage of the topic and consider whether the website presents multiple viewpoints or only one-sided arguments.
Check for authority and expertise. Determine the expertise of the author or organization behind the website. Are they qualified to speak on the topic? Look for credentials, professional affiliations, or relevant experience. Consider whether the website provides evidence of expertise, such as research studies, expert opinions, or endorsements from reputable organizations.
Trust your instincts. Trust your intuition when assessing the credibility of a website. If something seems too good to be true or raises suspicions, it's okay to proceed with caution or seek additional information. Be wary of websites that use sensationalist language, make grandiose claims, or rely on fear tactics to manipulate readers.
Stay informed and updated. Keep yourself informed about current events, emerging trends, and evolving technologies that may impact the credibility of online information. Stay updated on best practices for evaluating website credibility and consider taking courses or workshops on media literacy and digital literacy. Keep yourself informed about current events, emerging trends, and evolving technologies that may impact the credibility of online information. Stay updated on best practices for evaluating website credibility and consider taking courses or workshops on media literacy and digital literacy. This has been a production of DNJDesigns and Mathman1962.